Welcome back to the Arise Business of the Month interview, where we love to talk to people that are tackling crises facing humanity in a commercially viable way. And today, I have the great honor of interviewing Dr. Ari Gargir, who's really a pioneer in Israeli biotech. Let's start with the problem. What's the big issue that RedC Biotech is tackling?
Yeah, so we're developing a process to industrially manufacture universal red blood cells for life-saving transfusions and advanced therapies. About 120 million blood transfusions are donated every year. It's an over $20 billion market. There are some people that suffer from sickle cell anemia, for example, or thalassemia, and they require multiple transfusions. A person could receive somewhere between 5 to 30 blood transfusions every year. We estimate that there are about 100 million blood transfusions that are in shortage every year. Our vision is, first of all, to have production sites around the globe for reasons of fitting the regulations, but also having a short logistic distance from the users, from the hospitals. So the cost of a blood transfusions will be actually the cost of production. And according to our estimations, when let's say the whole project in the end is reaching economy of scale in the production. When we reach a large amount of blood, of red blood cell production, we'll be able to use lower cost raw materials. The testing will be much lower. All of the processing costs will be much lower. But the essence of our project is taking, first of all, a unique cultivation technology that spun out of the Technion through a company called Excelta that we're collaborating with. A technology that allows the large-scale production of stem cells. And once you're able to produce the stem cells at a large scale, you could reach economy of scale and reduce the costs. That's the main essence of what we're doing. There were many attempts to produce blood substitutes or red blood cells, but they never left the lab, either because substitutes were usually too toxic, the red blood cells were too costly. The technology that we're using will allow us to break this vicious circle of scale.
So, based on that, what are your projections as far as how soon you could actually have this product in markets? And that's the first question. Secondly, what do you need to get there? You know, you're speaking to thousands of business people around the world who want to support technologies that are helping humanity. So yeah, what does that look like?
We believe that it will take us about 5 years to be ready for commercialization after finalizing the development of the product, doing all of the preclinical and clinical testing and the regulatory approval process. But after that, after commercialization, we'll have to establish production sites around the world. So what we need to do that, we're looking for financing, we're looking for investment in the company, but we're also looking for partners that are willing to take our technology and establish production sites in their regions all around the world.
To all of our friends around the world, thank you for tracking with us. What an exciting project. I mean, it's, I really wish you, and we all wish you, the success and that your timeline would be even quicker than expected. To be able to bring relief, life, and healing to so many people universally is just amazing. And if you're connected to the medical community, maybe production, medical devices, or a biotech, please make sure to contact RedC Biotech and Dr. Ari Gargir. We'll have all the contact information here underneath the video. And yeah, I highly recommend helping them in any way possible. It's such a beautiful vision. Yeah, so thank you. Yeah, all the best. There are many small businesses in Israel that are creating amazing products that never make it to the shelves of the store where you shop. Unfortunately, there's an insidious campaign growing around the world calling to boycott Israel. And these small business owners see their potential market shrinking from day to day. What can we do about this? So Arise exists to make meaningful connections between friends like you in the international community and the economy of Israel. When you sign up to become a member of the Arise Alliance, we will send you on a quarterly basis a gift box filled with cosmetic products, culinary products, fashion products, amazing stuff made in Israel. Your family's gonna love this. Your favorite time every quarter is gonna be to stand around and discover what did you receive this quarter from Israel. And it's just a great way to weave Israeli products and the reality of Israel into your everyday life. Make sure you become a member today and help support small businesses and create jobs in Israel. Thank you.